This is Thanksgiving, and this is Grandma's dream. Grandma, your turn.
Go on.
Tell us your dream.
Again.
You had a dream. A dream about
Mom,
me.
I'm recording.
No, it was about a judge. And I tell you, I dreamt I was visiting somebody in the hospital, and they put me in a room, and they thought I was visiting him, and this man was in bed. I didn't know who he was, and we're talking, and I said, nice man. And I said, you look familiar to me. He says, you look familiar to me too. I thought to myself, I think maybe I was in your courtroom once. I don't remember. But we're talking, and he proposes. And in my dream, I'm thinking, gee, what if I got to lose? He must be wealthy. He has a chauffeur. He has a house. What if I got to lose? I said, yes. He says, okay. And he gets out of bed, starts to take his pajamas off, and he says, I guess you've seen this before. And I said, yes, I have. And that was the end of the dream. And then afterward, I went down, it was so real, I went down for breakfast with everybody, and I told everybody I was getting married.
This is my great-grandma Tex. And this is my family.
Good dream, good dream.